хотелось, чтобы Россия была в ослабленном положении. Я придерживаюсь другой точки зрения. Я полагаю, что Россия стала...
The recent drone incidents across Europe are a clear sign that Russia still feels bold enough to escalate this war. And it was never just about Ukraine. Russia has always aimed to break the West and Europe in particular, finding common ground. And I believe we must do. Our guys are already here in Denmark, and there are experienced Ukrainians who know how to detect and shoot down attack drones, and they have already begun deploying their mission, and we are ready to share this experience with you, partners, and this is just the beginning, the first step on the path toward an effective drone wall to protect all of Europe. Please, let's work together on coordinated solutions that will make this happen.
And very different countries. We have our own interests.
And when we talk about the drone wall, we are talking about all of Europe, not just on one country. If the Russians dare to launch drones against Poland or violate the airspace of northern European countries, it means this can happen anywhere. In Western Europe, in the South, we need fast and effective response and defense forces that know how to deal with drones. I want to congratulate Maya Sandu on the victory. We must remember that the root of all these problems is Russia's war. Russia still has the resources to keep fighting. And that's not right. But we know the right steps. A 19th package of sanctions against Russia for the war is urgently needed. We also need to seriously think how to truly down Russia's entire oil trade infrastructure, because that's what fuels their war machine. Thank you.